Find the total surface area of a closed cylinder whose radius is 14 centimeter, r is equal to 14 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter, h is equal to 8 centimeter. Total surface area of a closed cylinder is equal to 2 पाई r ब्रैकेट में r प्लस h. 2 पाई आएगा 22/7, r दिया हुआ है 14, 14 प्लस 8 तो इधर आ जाएगा 2 22/7 इंटू 14 इंटू 22. 7 2 ज़ा 14 is equal to 22 2 ज़ा 44 into 44 is equal to 1936 centimeter square.